Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ROG Swift 27-inch QHD OLED gaming display. So friend, ASUS has announced the ROG Swift 27-inch QHD OLED gaming display with 240Hz refresh rate. And friend, this new 26.5-inch gaming monitor offers QHD OLED display 2560 x 1440 pixel resolution, offering a maximum 240Hz refresh rate, 0.03 millisecond response time, and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility. And the new custom heatsink to help with thermal management has been installed into the new Swift OLED 27-inch gaming display, and airflow within the gaming display has been optimized with ASUS ROG installing larger air vent to better dissipate heat. And friend, it includes an intelligent voltage optimization feature, assuring consumers will receive consistent luminance for each pixel by managing each voltage supply to the display. And ROG work closely with an undisclosed display panel manufacturer to estimate the levels between OLED brightness, voltage level, and operational temperature. And the intelligent algorithm is created to optimize the voltage based on temperature changes to ensure luminance uniformly across the display. And Reddit offer display connectivity options such as a single display port, 1.4 port, dual HDMI 2.0 port, and USB hub. And friend, if I talk about pricing, it will be available with an MRP of $999. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.